Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 11, motion and measurement of the distances of class 6 science. Welcome to Ekta's science education. Now we know that motion and measurement of the distances, how it is possible. We know movement or motion is an important characteristic of living things. We know living things show movement. Animals, plants and human beings all show movement. All living creatures show movement. Plants show the movement of growth, while as animals and human beings they hunt, they survive, they move in search of the food, shelter and water. They continuously move from one place to another place. Nature can also move things around, for example moving air, moving leaves of the trees, dust particles and different things all do movement. Next is the how the invention or how the history. If we see the history of the transport, we see in the very previous or the in ancient times people, when there was no any kind of a transport is available, that time all human beings they used to walk by their foot. Nobody is using any kind of a transport system, but as there is a invention of the wheel happens in 3500 BC, fixed wheels on the cars are invented. The first wheel vehicles in the history appear, and suddenly after some time 3500 BC river boats are invented. Before that the people used to only use the raw or logs of the wood in the water. After that the people in near about 2000 BC years, they use animals, they use the people use the animals like horses, elephants, donkeys and different animals, camels for the transportation. After that 181 to 234 near about the wheel is invented and wheelbarrow is invented, and so on. The different inventions are came to the light, and after the invention of the wheel was invented around 3500 BC. It was a major milestone in the history of human development. As there was the invention of the wheel happened, it was just the history of the human development. As soon as the wheel got the speed, the invention also got the speed. The wheel can be used for many purposes like making toys, vehicle, clocks and different things. The wheel is the base for most of the inventions made by the humans. So in the history of the invention of the transport, the invention of wheel is recorded. Now, transportation during ancient period, after the wheel was invented, people started using carts to transport goods, carriers or bullocks, carts to travel. Boats with oars were also invented to travel in water bodies. Horses were also popular. Bullocks were also popular for the movement. Transportation during the semi-modern period. Now, after the ancient period, there is a semi-modern period. The hot air balloon was invented in 18 near about in 1783. It was the first machine to travel through the air. The steamboat, which was invented in 1787, slowly the milestone in the evolution of the transportation is came to an existence. Many steam locomotives were made during this period. They were also used on the road. The first car was made in 1862. They became popular rapidly in the western countries. After some long time, there is also invention followed by invention of the motorcycle in 1867. The modern cycle was too invented in 1790. As we see the timeline, the different timelines can be seen in the history of the transport system. Near about in 3500 BC, the wheel invented. After that, 2000 BC, the boats, horses for the travel. 1783 AD, hot air balloons. 1787. How the difference you can see, there is a differences in the different transport system can be seen from the ancient to the modern time. Same way you can see Okay, on the 17th December 1903, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright, two brothers, invented the flying machine, which later, the flying machine invention slowly was developed into the aeroplane for the mass transportation. Further, technological advancement lead human to develop not only aeroplane but also the superfast trains, metro trains, monorail, supersonic aeroplanes, spacecraft, rockets, and different inventions came to an existence and recorded the milestone in the transportation. And after that, Neil Armstrong became the first person. Here the image is shown who's the person that came into the day came into the historic day on 16th July 1969, when the American astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. Therefore, human beings started from the invention of the wheel have reached the moon. Now, human beings are trying to reach the other planet in this direction. A spacecraft has already succeeded in the sending a small wheeled vehicle to the surface of Mars. It has collected samples of its soil. You know that we use various modes of transport to go from one place to another. For example, you may be using different modes of transport to travel from your home to the school and back to your home again. Other examples may include walking or foot, bicycle, rickshaw, scooter, van, bus, trains, different things we are using for the means of the transport. Okay students, stay tuned. We will meet in the next video, in which we learn how the distances are measured, which are the different units, and what is the need to know the distances actually. Okay, stay tuned. Goodbye.